Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another Beauty Big Bang Swatches 082. This is the scene plate. It's so cool. You can run a scene across your nails. I am so excited to share this one with you today. There will be a link for this plate down below. I don't get paid by Beauty Big Bang. I just review things for them from time to time. So if you use my discount code, it's PACK285, you can get 10% off your order. So let's get into some swatching. I am just using the Funky Fingers black and white today. They seem to work out pretty well. And I'm using some old swatch tips from a nail wheel from swatching polishes. These images pick up amazing. I am so much in love. So I didn't get that one on film, but I do have it. The rest of the video will be good, I promise. I love that over that color. So pretty. And then, so we've got the dinosaurs, and now we've got some zodiac symbols. Very cool. I love that there's an array of things on this plate. I just think that it's a really neat idea. You've got a little bit of everything. And here we go with the Under the Sea images. Looks really good over that blue. And then a shipwreck. Oh, how cool. So I will tell you that I didn't have problems picking up any of these plates. And then you've got like a carnival seascape. Sky cityscape. There we go. And I love it. I just think that that's so neat. It's even got an airplane in it. How cool. Like I said, I do like images like this that you can run across several nails and just, you know, it just all looks so cool. And I love all these kitty cat images. They are so cute. I love the kitty cats with the two tails that meet that look like a heart. Adorable. There we go. One more kitty cat one. And then now we're heading into another, like, medieval dragon chivalry images. I love it. I love it. I just think it's too cool. And this one is going to be like the lovers on a walk. They're got under one umbrella in the rain. Very cute. I love that it's got other scenery around it. It's just a neat image. And this one's got bunny rabbits and stars and fairies and clouds. Very cute. I do love me some fairy manicures. And now we're going into like the cherry blossom tree. That's what I would use it for. It's got some birds. So here we go. Blink, blink. We're just bumping right along. So we'll have a swatch photo here just coming up soon. And of course, you know, up close of all of the images. As you can see, they all transferred really well. Beautiful images. Love, love, love this plate. This is my ball of wax right here. I love it. But I would love to hear what you think about this plate. And if you have it, you know, I always love hearing from you and talking to you about the products out on the market. So leave me your thoughts down below in the comments. And there is my still photo if you'd like to pause it and get a better look. And I just want to thank you all for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself.